So it is currently 6:41 in the morning. We are gonna go to the beach today, but I think it's supposed to rain, so we might have to change our plans and do it into a water park instead. I'm taking my little sister and her friends for like end of the school year trip or something like that. But I'm up this early because I have to go get the rental car. It's in Virginia and I have to get on the train to get there. So I'm gonna talk to you guys once I get to the rental car because I literally have like 20 minutes to get ready. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Hey guys, so I made it to the car. It is 2021 Nissan Kicks. Push to start, period. We love that. So now I'm about to head back home and get ready. It's only like 8:20, 8:15, and we're not leaving for like until like 10. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get back home. Okay guys, I just made it back home. It's like 9:15. Before I get ready, I'm going to, I don't know if you guys know this, I don't think I told you, I'm a dog mom. So I'm about to go take her out for a walk, feed her breakfast, and then I'm gonna get ready. This is Lilo. It's my baby. She'll be 9 months in 3 days on the 26th. Yeah, so I just normally walk her a little bit down the street, not too far. So I'm about to get ready. I only have 2 swimsuits. I have this one piece, and then I have this 2-piece, both from Shein. But I'm just going out with my sister and her friends. I don't really need to get too cute. Don't gotta do too much. So I'm just putting on this one piece, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after I put it on. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. Just a simple one piece, not too much. Really simple. There's a zipper. You can put it down how as you want. Really simple. I just put on these shorts. Now I'm about to pack my bag. I don't really need that much. Just my towel, maybe some extra shorts or something, and my iPad. I really think that's it. We're not really gonna be doing that much. So yeah. Honestly don't think I'm getting in the pool. Because I just got my hair done like a couple days ago, and we don't want to mess her up because she's cute. So with that being said, I really don't need that much. Just honestly a towel, probably just a towel. I don't know. I don't plan on getting in the pool. If I do, I'll probably just put my feet in. That's it. Towel. I'm gonna bring my bonnet because it's supposed to rain. Can't get the hair wet. And I'm gonna bring some extra shorts. And I'm gonna wear slides, but when we leave, I'm probably gonna put on my Crocs. So I'm gonna bring my Crocs, my iPad, my phone. That's it. Okay, so we made it to the beach. We're at Sandy Point.
I want a brush reduction, guys.
It wasn't working. Oh yeah, do that. That is cute. This. So we just took some pictures. We're at Sandy Point Beach. If y'all wanted to know. Get in the water now. It's cold. Woo! Yeah. Very much cold as hell. Cold. Maya. She's cold. Come on, just go. Steve. Go. Go.
Keep going before you gotta go to the track, bro. That's how you gonna warm up.
You go, Hugo. Well, that picture is cute. What's that? That is cute.
Taste it.
That's it.
Cut. Let go. Alright, let me just go, bro. It's not that serious, bro. Weird, because I keep listen down. What they want.
Okay. I don't know how good this is showing my face, but we came to the beach because it says I'm supposed to rain until 2, but now it's not. It says I'm supposed to rain until 3, so we probably have a good little minute to be in the water and on the beach and stuff because we have to leave at 4. So yeah, but it's not that hot out here today though. The sun not out for real, but it's not bad. It's not like cold or nothing.
Natalie, you gotta walk. I thought it was over. Why am I going further?
Hey guys, I'm laying on the sand. My sister and her friends to go get food. I'm not really hungry, so I didn't want to go get food. But I'm just laying on the sand. Trying to upload this video, but I don't know how to make a thumbnail just yet. So I'm trying to figure out how to do that first, and then I'm gonna upload this first video, my intro video. If you haven't watched it, pause it, go watch that, and then come back and finish watching this. But yeah, I don't know if I want to eat here or wait till we leave because a slice of pizza is $4.75. No, so I might wait till we leave to eat, but I don't know. I might not even do that because it's supposed to rain, and I don't like driving in the rain, y'all. I'm very much scary. I don't like driving in the rain, so I'm gonna want to probably get home ASAP. So I might just wait till I get home to eat. I haven't had anything to eat yet, but I'm not really that hungry. But yeah, just laying, enjoying the view. Okay, so before we left the beach, we went into, they had like this little nature center, I guess, to see like all the stuff that you can find at the beach. So we went in there, looked around for a little bit. It was more for like kids, I think, but we just wanted to look. That's what the horseshoe crabs look like. And the little baby, she's so cute. She said hi to us. And then this is the well, I'll explain that in a minute, but I'm just kind of showing you guys the area, what it looked like. Because they still wanted to go to the pool, so before we left, we just visited the nature center. He was telling us that you could extend your arms to see like how well you compare to other birds on the wall. So they were doing that. Nyla was the bald eagle, and I think Maya was the osprey, that dark blue looking bird. So yeah, just looking around. I don't know what the flowers are there for. I guess the nature. And then they had this wall of like leaves that you could sign. So I decided to sign my name real quick. They didn't have pink. That's what I was really looking for, but the black had to do. And then just watch how fast you see me write my name. Like, why would I ever need to write that fast? What are you doing? You have to let him know every time who the baddest is. And that's me. Period. So now I'm just waiting on them. They're taking pictures. Okay, so we left the beach. We're at a splash park. I don't know if you can see it. Glendale Splash Park. I think the outdoor is open. If it is, ain't nobody in the drink. We're gonna have to drink to ourselves. Is that open? Come on now. It said open on the website. It's the 22nd, so open up.
So the non-resident fee is $7.
Are we residents? Oh yeah, PG per.
Let's say seniors. Oh, yeah.
Oh, adult. I'm $6. Dang.
No, you're gonna be 7. They don't know our ages. How they gonna know?
Right.
Yeah.
So $5.
We just can't say we a child because we
Yeah.
all look alike.
So we ended up going to 2 pools. The first one we went to wasn't open, and then the second one we went to, they wanted $10 from each of us. First of all, the pool was empty, y'all. Nobody was there. We could have been in for free, so we just went to McDonald's.
Right.
Especially
here, y'all trying to be right.
I'll give him
Hey, y'all
a,
trying to hear my mixtape?
I'll give him a 6.
Courtney, not too much.
I'll give him a 6.
That's what you gonna be like. You gonna be like,
Because
hey, y'all trying to hear my
it just
mixtape?
depends
No,
on
he
how
not
bad.
good. He from the DMV trying to be a rapper now.
Right. It's not gonna be
-7 plus -3. My numbers is going down the more you say shit.
Who's turn? Who just went? It's my
Oh,
turn.
yeah, it's over.
Oh, I was just this one probably over here. But he a 8. But he only eats salads. Like he don't want you to eat nothing else but like salad.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, you a 4, sweetie. I ain't doing
I
that.
think Caesar salad up. They good.
Not all the
I'm
time. I can't.
I'm
only
gonna
eat
say
salads.
7.
Yeah, I'm gonna say
Okay,
7 simply
If-
because
if
like
it was
it's
only-
nice that you eat the salads, but why you
Nah,
wouldn't?
he
really
like,
want me?
that's like he's telling you everything you eat is bad, and like he's only giving you
Yeah, no,
salad.
Then that's a 3 then. If it was just him
You
and
be like, what's
everybody,
together? Salad.
it'd be a 7 still. But
Like, we could
He's
do it
judging you
together.
for not eating salad.
Yeah, like,
Okay.
we do it together, kind of, but it's like, I'm not gonna only eat salads with you. I'm gonna get bored of eating the same thing.
When I want to get me some nachos, I can eat me some nachos.
Literally.
He's a 10, but his breast ain't.
0, -15.
You a 3. You
Yeah,
know,
it's a solid 3.
really.
he got money.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
You can buy
He
us
is
a
too.
toothpaste.
He got everything but good hygiene in the mouth.
Who's
Or
card?
his channels. It say his name.
So if I screenshot
I might just offer him a few, few minutes, a few sticks of gum. Let's chew it together. Let's see if we can chew it faster.
The little doggy treats that clean their
I
mouth.
think I'll give him an 8.
We just dropped the car off. We're on our way home. It has been a very long day. Very tired. I gotta work tomorrow. I gotta wake up at 5 o'clock. I know it's probably loud, sorry. But we just called the Uber because it's raining really hard outside. I need to put something on top of my head.
This girl is a litterer. We had a bag full of trash and she's going to throw it like that. She got that shit fly across the freaking thing.
It's no trash can and they're not gonna know who did it.
That's not the point.
The wind blowing.
What is that?
Uber like 4 minutes away. Waiting on.
I need to come right there. They have to come in and come out the thing.
Or at least pull up right here and they can like back up or something, because I don't know if that guys can see this or not. Ooh, this is really good light.
Good boy. That camera quality is like, I'll see you later. Like, you don't even need to get a camera quality.
I don't. And don't. Okay, y'all, so just made it home. Well, I've been home for probably about a good 15 minutes. I was helping my mom with some stuff. I am exhausted. I'm so tired. I've been out since 7 o'clock this morning and I was the chauffeur literally all day. So, with that being said, I didn't have to feed Lilo. She was already fed when I got in here. My mom fed her for me. So, I am about to lay down and relax because I have to get ready for work. I have to be up at 5. So I literally have like an hour to relax, then I have to go to bed, then I have to be up at 5. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really enjoyed making this vlog for you guys. I had fun. Be prepared for more content because more content is coming. You're looking at a very consistent person, period. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and bye.